The best AR/XR glasses enhance productivity, immersive entertainment, hands-free navigation, and real-world interaction while delivering a more intuitive digital experience. My today's video is about top 5 best AR/XR glasses that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Blue Cut Blue Light Blocking Glasses. Blue Cut Blue Light glasses are an excellent choice for anyone who spends hours in front of digital screens. Their advanced blue light filtering lenses help reduce eye strain, dryness, and fatigue, making long workdays, online classes, or gaming sessions much more comfortable. Unlike bulky alternatives, these glasses feature a lightweight, flexible frame that provides all-day comfort without sacrificing style. Available in both non-prescription and reading magnification options, they cater to a wide range of users, whether you need vision correction or simply want extra screen protection. Manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, the lenses are designed to support clearer, more focused viewing during extended screen use. The package also includes a protective storage case, microfiber cleaning cloth, and a premium gift-ready box, adding excellent value. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, Blue Cut glasses combine eye protection, comfort, and modern design, making them a smart investment for today's digital lifestyle. Now our second product is XRAL1S AR/XR glasses. The XRAL1S AR glasses redefine portable entertainment by delivering a stunning virtual display that feels like watching a massive 500-inch screen anywhere you go. The high-quality optical engine, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and individually color-calibrated display produce exceptionally sharp, vibrant visuals with impressive edge-to-edge clarity. Powered by the advanced X1 chip, these glasses offer responsive 3D spatial tracking with ultra-low latency, creating a natural and immersive viewing experience without complicated setup. Multiple viewing modes, including ultra-wide, real 3D, and side view, make the XRAL1S equally capable for gaming, productivity, and movie streaming. Comfort is another standout feature, thanks to TV Rhineland certified low blue light, flicker-free technology, and a lightweight design suitable for extended use. The Bose-engineered open-ear speakers deliver rich, balanced audio that perfectly complements the immersive visuals. Overall, the XRAL1S combines cutting-edge AR technology, premium display quality, outstanding comfort, and powerful audio into one of the most complete AR glasses available today. Our third product is Vitur Luma Ultra XR glasses. The Vitur Luma Ultra sets a new benchmark for XR glasses by combining exceptional visual quality, advanced spatial computing, and premium design. Its ultra-sharp 1200p micro-OLED display creates a massive 152-inch virtual screen with remarkable clarity, making movies, games, and productivity tasks incredibly immersive. The bright 1500 nit display, wide 52 degrees field of view, and accurate color reproduction ensure vibrant visuals in virtually any environment. A standout feature is the triple camera system, enabling precise 6DoF tracking and intuitive hand gesture interaction for a truly next-generation AR experience. The Harman 2 audio delivers rich, balanced sound that enhances both entertainment and communication without requiring headphones. Vitur's innovative Spacewalker software, including real-time 2D to 3D conversion and multi-screen productivity modes, adds even more value. Finished with a stylish translucent frame and customizable RGB lighting, the Luma Ultra offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and futuristic innovation, making it one of the most advanced XR glasses currently available. Now number 4, Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer Large. Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses seamlessly combine iconic style with cutting-edge technology, making them one of the most practical smart wearables available. The integrated 12MP camera captures crisp 3K Ultra HD photos and videos hands-free, allowing you to preserve memorable moments without interrupting the experience. Open-ear speakers deliver rich, immersive audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings, making them ideal for daily commutes and outdoor activities. Meta AI adds genuine convenience by providing instant answers, reminders, and voice assistance, while real-time language translation enhances communication during travel. With up to 8 hours of battery life and a charging case extending usage to 48 hours, they're built for all-day performance. Hands-free calling benefits from impressive noise reduction for clearer conversations, and customizable privacy settings give users control over voice features and data. Overall, these smart glasses offer an outstanding balance of fashion, functionality, AI intelligence, and everyday convenience for modern lifestyles. And our last choice is classic folding sunglasses polarized. Foldy's sunglasses offer an excellent combination of portability, protection, and timeless style. Their innovative foldable design allows them to collapse into a compact size that easily fits into a pocket, purse, or small bag, making them perfect for travel and everyday use. The polarized 7-layer HEP-TK lenses provide 100% UV-400 protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays while reducing glare for clearer, more comfortable vision. Scratch-resistant lenses and a durable frame ensure long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. The updated Classics model features a refined bridge and longer temple arms for an improved, more secure fit without compromising its classic look. Each pair also includes a premium vegan leather case with a soft velvet interior and a microfiber cleaning cloth, helping keep the sunglasses protected and spotless wherever you go. Overall, Foldy's deliver impressive convenience, reliable eye protection, and stylish everyday functionality in an exceptionally compact package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.